How to change language on RedNote. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language on RedNote. In order to do so, first of all, open your RedNote application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the Me icon. Simply tap on it and then in the space, tap on the settings icon in this middle row next to the profile option. Once you tap on it, here inside you'll be able to see different settings option. Simply tap on the general settings option and inside the general settings you'll be able to locate the language option. Now go ahead and tap on this language option and now from here you'll be able to select your preferred language. Once after selecting the language, tap on the save button at the top right and the app may refresh to reflect your new language. After that, you'll be able to see you have successfully changed language on RedNote. If you'd like to switch it back to the previous language, you can follow the same process in order to do so. So by following these steps, you should be able to change the language on RedNote. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.